Hi guys, what's up? How are you? So, here we will continue the lecture series of discrete mathematics. So, this is the chapter 9, the direct graph. So, after starting this lecture of directed graphs, we already covered the graph theory. So before the learning this directed graph chapter, you need to know about the graph. What is the graph? What is the terminology of graph? Travel area, maps, region, etc. And what is the BFS? What is the DFS? This is the algorithm: breadth first search and depth first search. So let's start. What is the directed graph? And this is the introduction. And directed graph are graph in which the edges are one way. Okay, such graph are frequently more useful in various dynamic system as a digital computer or flow system. And however, this added features make it more difficult to determine certain property of graph. Okay, so that is processing such graph may be similar to traveling in city with many way street and by road, by highway. So the graph is describe all these things. So uh, like you you must ever see like Google app and Ola app. So these all are designed with this help with this graph, directed graph, and all other graph. Many types of graphs we have, BFS. And so all these topics are regarding this directed graph. Okay, so this is the topic 9.2, directed graph. So a directed graph G or a digraph. What is the meaning of digraph? Digraph is nothing. Is the digraph and directed graph, these all are two different name, but these thing are same thing. So the directed graph consists two things: a set of vertices whose element are called vertices, node, and point. Remember this thing, recall this. Also the useful in the and necessary and mandatory in the graph, and also in the directed graph. A set E is ordered pair. You already know what is the ordered pair. U is comma B. This is the ordered form. Suppose we have two element in set A and also have two element in set B. So how many ordered pair we have? Like four. So this is the order pair U and B. U of the vertices called arcs and directed edges or simply edges. Okay, so suppose E equal to U comma B is directed as in diagram C, then the following terminology is used. E begin at U at ends at B. Okay, and U is the origin or initial point of E, and B is the destination or terminal point of E. V is a successor of U. What is the meaning of successor? The next one. Okay, U is the adjacent to B and B is adjacent from U. What is the meaning of adjacent? It is join, and if U equal to B, then E is called a self loop. So just remember these things. And the set of all successor of a vertices U is important, is denoted formally defined. This is the roster form of U. V vertices belong to vertices, and such that there exists an as order of U comma B belongs to E. What is the E? E is a small set, and this is the set B. This is the E. So here you can see a one example. This is the graph. So this is the four node A, B, C, D. So this is the question, this is the problem. So what this is of G equivalent A, B, C, D and 7 following edges. This is the order pair. So A, D. So we going to A to D. This is the edge. And what is the next one? B to A. Then where the B here, B to A. Next is again B to A. So this is the another one, B to A. And next one D B, and D to B, and B to C. This is the B to C. You can see here arrow, this means this to this. Okay, and B comma B, this is the self loop. Okay, and this is also the reflexive condition in the graph. So this is the self loop. Okay, so this is the way to draw a graph and also a directed graph. So here the some terminology, and you can read here the as is E2 and E3 are said to be parallel. E2 and E3 are said to be parallel. Why? You can see this this traveling, these two edges are traveling in same direction, and the S7, this is 7, this is the self loop. I already tell you, this is the self loop. So this is the little bit introduction about the directed graph. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel if you like the lecture, and if you have any suggestion for us, then please comment in the comment section. Thank you.